Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline. If you are new here, welcome. So today we are going to be doing a necklace twist on a hair 2-inch. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the product I am going to be using in this video. We are going to start with a water-based gel. I'm going to be using that to twist, and also I'm going to be using my just a regular braiding gel. So I've been using the gel for the past 2 years. It's really good. It do have a leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and it's on Amazon. It's like you can get that like 16 up to $20. So this is the hair we are going to be doing today. We are going to be doing a knotless twist in a mid back length with the curly end. And also her hair, what I'm going to do, like the bottom part of her hair, I'm going to start off by just a regular twist, because the bottom part of her hair is 2-inch and I cannot grab that with a knotless. So I am going to start that with just a regular twist. Okay, so this is how I separate my hair. I get her the clean part, and it's really cute. So like she don't really she just don't want a knot. She just don't want a knot on her hair. So and right now it's gonna difficult for me. So I'm gonna start just a regular twist. So what I'm gonna be doing when I'm twisting like this, I'm not gonna flip that over. So once I flip it over, it's gonna have knots on it. So we don't want the knot. So I'm just gonna braid just a regular one. And also I'm going to keep braiding when I pass her hair. Then I'm going to start twisting. The reason I did that because I don't have enough room to tuck her hair in, because her hair kind of short back there. So I'm going to just braid past her hair and start twisting. Okay, so the hair color we are going to be doing 6, 13, 27, and a little bit of 30. So the 6, 13 is in the middle of her hair. Like that's her hair color, 6, 13, 27, and 30. And this is the the size and the length of the twist. And I showed her, she said she okay with it. Hey, it's okay with me once you're good with it. Okay, so and I am going to go back to my second section, or to my second part. So I'm gonna part the hair. I like to use my comb to part because it make everything easy for me. And this is how I separate my hair. So I'm gonna grab 2 pieces of hair and cross that to give me like 4 pieces, and I'm gonna divide that into 3. Okay, and we're just gonna start just a regular twist, braid, and I'm gonna add a little bit of hair so I can have enough hair to twist. And we're gonna start twisting. Yep, so I'm gonna flip my hands once I finish flipping my hand, and I'm just gonna try to separate the hair into 2, so there's a little bit of hair hanging out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of gel to the piece and try to tuck it in the braids, and start twisting. So y'all, I love to twist. Twist is my passion, and I can do twist like every day. I don't get tired doing that. So I had her for 4 hours. We're gonna be here for 4 hours. I have to set the camera angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have her for 4 hours, and I'm trying to get her within 4 hours. I don't want to be late. So we're done with the first row, and the second row I'm going to start with knotless. So it keeps sliding out,